Welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are making easy banana bread with a twist. In my mixing bowl I have my butter. To that I'll add my sugar and I'm just using my hand mixer to mix this together nicely until it is well combined. And now we'll be adding 1 egg and our secret ingredient for this recipe. I have been using the Javy coffee for some time now and I'm using this limited holiday edition that was sent to me. It is the Peppermint Mocha. It tastes so good and a great holiday flavor that you must have if you love coffee. And you only need a little bit to get the amazing taste and flavor that you will like. I will list all the ingredients in the right one in the description box below for easy access, and I'll also link the link to getting your own coffee in the description box below. I have already mashed my banana with a fork. You can use a masher in here. I'm mixing my flour with my baking soda. I'll add my mashed banana to the batter mix, and I will be adding my dry ingredient, which is the flour, to the wet ingredient. I'm just going to add the flour in bits and mix until I add all the flour. I have already greased my baking pan with some butter and dust it over with some flour. So I'm transferring the butter into it. I'll give it a little shake. You can bake this right away or add some nuts. If you don't like nuts, just omit it. And I'll bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. And our banana bread peppermint mocha is ready. This recipe tastes so good, different from every banana bread you have been eating. Trust me. Try this recipe and you will love it. I'll put the link to getting your own coffee in the description box below. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe, and have a happy holidays. See you in the next one. Bye.